Starting your day like a CEO isn't just about waking up early and drinking coffee, it's about setting the tone, energy, and focus for everything that follows. Our video is a step-by-step approach many high-performing CEOs use, backed by science and research. Welcome to our channel. Let's get into it. Start by getting up with purpose, not panic. Wake up early enough to have at least 30 to 90 minutes for yourself before the demands of the day hit. Many CEOs are up between 5 to 6 a.m., not because of a magic time, but because it gives them space for uninterrupted thinking. Avoid immediately checking emails or news, that puts you in reactive mode. Next up, hydrate. Research says you should hydrate your body first thing in the morning before you sip your first coffee. Your brain is about 73% water, and after 7 or 8 hours of sleep, it's running low. Just 1 to 2 cups of water can restore balance, sharpen focus, and give your mind the fuel it needs to make smart decisions. Dr. Andrew Huberman has an interesting YouTube video that we think is worth watching: How I Start My Day for Peak Performance, 6 Science-Based Habits. Now it's time to prime your mind. Just 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, mindfulness, or quiet reflection to clear your head and set intentions. Here's a great website, Mindfulness Aotearoa, if you need some guidance on this topic. Clearing your mind allows your brain to remove leftover thoughts from yesterday, plus random dream residue. Meditation lets you clear the noise so you can focus on what matters most today. It lowers stress before it starts and helps to boost focus. That's why so many leaders like Ray Dalio and Arianna Huffington do it first thing. Now it's time to move your body. Research says exercising first thing, even a brisk walk, stretching, or yoga boosts focus and energy. CEOs like Tim Cook and Richard Branson swear by early workouts to start with momentum. Once you've moved your body, it's time to fuel it. A balanced breakfast with protein and healthy fats like eggs, avocado, oatmeal, or smoothies fuels the brain for decision-making. Next up, use affirmations or goal reviews. Revisit your top 3 priorities for the day and your long-term vision. For example, today I'll focus on X, Y, and Z, and I'll delegate what's not essential. A quick note to say, if you are enjoying this video, we would love you to like and subscribe for more informative videos. Moving on, it's now time to do some strategic thinking. Before diving into meetings or emails, spend 20 to 30 minutes on deep work or problem solving for your most important project. Jeff Bezos calls this high IQ time. The brain's peak decision-making window is usually early in the day. Time now to plan and prioritize. Write down your top 3 to 5 mission-critical tasks, not a to-do list of 37 items. Schedule time blocks for high-value work and protect them fiercely. And lastly, lead yourself first. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident, even if working from home. A study from Columbia University and California State University, 2015, found that formal clothing increases abstract thinking, the ability to see the big picture and think strategically. Researchers linked this to feeling more powerful and in control, so why not adopt the mindset: if I can lead myself well in the first hour, I can lead others all day. Here's an example morning routine. 5:30 a.m. Wake up, drink water. 5:35, meditation, journal intentions. 5:50, 10 to 30 minute workout, yoga or walk. 6:20, breakfast plus review top priorities. 6:45, deep work on most important project. 7:15, get ready for the day. 7:30, emails, calls, meetings. Starting your day like a CEO isn't about being perfect. It's about creating space for clear thinking, fueling your body, and tackling the big stuff before the noise takes over. So tomorrow morning, skip the scroll. Lead yourself first, and watch how the rest of your day follows. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've tried this routine, and if this was helpful, we'd love you to like and subscribe.